I just gotta say, smoke your ganja. It give me a good sense of humor, none of mercy, and keep away from the cancer, none of mercy. I just gotta say, I got my ganja diploma. I went to the ganja college, none of mercy. Increase my wisdom, understanding, and my knowledge, none of mercy. Just gotta say, big up the man called Kochi. Ganja feel with the dodgy. None of mercy, hey, smoke your herb, give thanks and praise it, make we think constructive and brave, because it was born on King Solomon grave, he was the wisest man in his days. Boy, I'm serious, man, I make no joke, ganja me smoke and not coke. I will never drink them rum and me no eat pork. I'll go sailing on this white man boat. I have whistle already, on me the chronic, me have some preserve, but down I make tonic. Crack candy, coke, all those things must abolish. Peter touch bun chalice in a Buckingham Palace. Me say, ganja man me come to congratulate, and with no coke